Hi, today we are going to see how to download Eclipse on Windows 10. So go to your browser, in the search bar type Eclipse download. Here you can see the eclipse.organization. Click on it. From here go to download 8664 and click on download and start download. After the download has been complete, click on open. Here you can download various type of Eclipse. I am downloading Eclipse IDE, Enterprise, Java and Web Developer. Then click on install and accept now. Then it will be installed. After being installed, click launch. Here you have to launch it. Then you can see Eclipse IDE is launching. Here the Eclipse IDE has been installed. Here is Eclipse IDE. So that's how to install Eclipse. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.